Good morning, afternoon, or evening, Spectrum staff. Thanks for joining us. We're going to give a flipped meeting a shot this month, April 18th. And we have for you a few things. So this morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you have decided to complete this task, please go ahead and log into your Schoology account. You can find our agenda in the SHS Staff Resources course. Please head down to Staff Meeting Info. Click on that folder, and you will find the items necessary for the April 18th flipped meeting in the April 18th flipped meeting folder. You will want to first pull up the agenda. So just a couple of announcements as we get going here. Not sure if you saw, but Jeremy Johnson was featured this month in a Facebook post. I believe there was also a tweet that went out on our Twitter account that featured Jeremy as well. And as always, we thank Jeremy for his hard work here at Spectrum. Couple of other agenda items, just announcement-wise. Don't forget, this Friday at 7 and Saturday at 7 p.m., the Spring Musical is going on, as well as on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Just so you know, teachers, our PLC team leaders will be working on compiling Spectrum's QComp data in the coming weeks. So look for an email communication in regards to what they need from you. On Wednesday, April 25th, the guidance department is going to be sending out mid-quarter notices to families. The guidance staff will also be preparing summer school letters, so up-to-date gradebook information is extremely important and much appreciated. I'm going to let you folks read through the Valley Fair plans and kind of how we've thought through this process this year. It's a little bit different than years past. We're trying to come up with the best way possible to go about it. And we also ask for your feedback. So if you would, if you have feedback for us, please go ahead and click on the link here, and this will take you to a Google form to provide your thoughts and feedback on that particular process. Last item that I want to mention here is the critical reading that Greg and I have set aside for you folks. Please complete this and have it ready to go on Friday, April 27th at our staff development meeting. We have two articles for you: Effective Grading Practices, Finding Your Grading Compass and Helping Students Realize Their Most Capable Selves. Both of those articles are located in the 418 flipped meeting. Right before I opened up the agenda, you probably saw them there. And then Greg has provided a critical reading frame that is also in that folder. So please utilize that to guide your thoughts and your note-taking process related to that. And we ask that you please bring those thoughts and notes to our activities on Friday, April 27th. And that concludes our meeting. Have a great day.